This is our planet Earth, and 71% of it is covered by oceans. And although we live on the land, our oceans are also like our home, our blue home and our blue economy, with a huge fridge where we can find our food, with a huge air conditioning that regulates our temperature, like the ocean regulates our climate by absorbing heat, and with a huge garbage can where we can throw our garbage, our carbon dioxide, which the ocean then transforms into oxygen so that we can continue to breathe. It functions like an oxygen pump. Now, this wonderful blue home is under pressure because of us, because we pollute, and because we produce more carbon dioxide than our ocean can handle. It makes it acidic. The good news is that the UN adopted a plan to make us use our blue home in a more sustainable way. This plan is called SDG 14. And from 5 to 9 June in New York this year, the global community will come together to discuss where we stand with the implementation of this plan. And it will directly address all stakeholders that can help implement this plan. For example, the Food and Agriculture Organization for Fisheries, or the International Maritime Organization for Shipping, or the WMO, or the industry and governments and NGOs and many more. And all these stakeholders, they need one thing. They need data and science so that they can understand how our blue home functions and to understand what our impact on our blue home is and to identify ways to make this impact sustainable. All these stakeholders, they cannot develop solutions on their own in isolation. And therefore, UNESCO's Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission proposes to connect these partners, these stakeholders, in 1 decade on ocean science for sustainable development. This cooperation framework will connect all these stakeholders and different perspectives to the ocean issues they are already dealing with, but in a more coherent way together. Now, SDG 14 is only a year and a half old, but it covers 71% of our planet and 90% of all living creatures on it. So it makes sense to set up a decade to help the stakeholders work together, to share information, to help implement this SDG 14 plan, to make us use our oceans in a more sustainable way before it's too late.